Hey all my family, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix analysis error in ProtaStructure software. Let's start it. Let's go to the analysis option. From the analysis option, building analysis. From this, let's go to the analysis again. So let's check our model first. There is no any error, so we can proceed to the analysis. So building analysis. Let's analyze our building. And let's check the results here. Error encountered during building analysis. So the software terminate our analysis results. So you have to fix this problem. So let's cancel it. Our analysis is terminated now. So you have to fix this problem. So to fix it, let's go to building analysis. From this, go to model option. Click on setting. From this, you have to uncheck this box that is use Sparse Solver for building analysis. After uncheck this box, the analysis error will be solved. Let's check it again. So make it close. After that, go again to building analysis. So I have to click this building analysis box. Make it building analysis. So our analysis is proceeds in good manner. Let's check the final result. So analysis is completed. Our building analysis get the right mark. You can solve in this way. Don't forget subscribe my channel and like this video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.